Say Mr. G.
Hello, morning.
Hello, morning. Good morning. Making a cup of tea and some breakfast. And getting ready for work. That's why, oh, that dust on the floor. So I put a load of washing in and rewarmed the tumble dryer to get the washing out, which I'm going to do now. Guys, look at the washing. Piles of it, and then that in there to go away. Away. So I've got work. I'm just going to do a few jobs in between clients and just try and get on top of the house a little bit. And then we are going to Ikea tonight to go and pick our wardrobes, chest of drawers, dressing table, all that kind of stuff. So I will bring you along and we will do a what's new at Ikea sort of video and a general cleanup. So guys, I will check in later with you, and for now we are going to time lapse. I'm gonna have a quick cup of tea, guys. Just had some lunch. Mr. G is working. Can't see him because the room's so dark. And I'm gonna quickly hoover my dandy my little shark hoover that I know a few of you have asked me what hoover it is I use. It's the little Shark handheld with the double battery.
Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Right, so we've just had some dinner. We're going to go to Ikea in a minute. I'm just writing my list of what I need to remember to get. So I need a wardrobe, a shelf, drawers, bedside tables, a rug, a mirror. I also need lighting, so I need a ceiling light and bedside lamps. I need 2 of those, and I think that's all I need at the minute. Those are my main things I need to pick up from Ikea for the bedroom. My bed is ordered. I've just ordered that today, so that is coming next weekend, and I'm going to go and order my flooring tomorrow. The decorator's coming a week on Sunday to paint, so I just need to go and choose my paint colour, and then we're pretty much done. So tomorrow Mark's going to do loads of sanding, so we've got to get everything out, which means taking the bed out, and I think we're going to be spending a couple of weeks on the air bed, because if that bed's got to come out, it's going, because I'm having a new one go in. And guys, I'm not even going to tell you what colour, but she's lovely. So, cup of tea, quickly get ready, and then we've got Rupert with us. We are going to go and head over to Ikea, and we will bring you along with us. We're in the car and we're going to Ikea. We've got Rupert. Where are you, Rupert? Say wave. So we are on our way. Mr. G is driving. We're just at some...
dying. I'm still dying cold.
Still dying of cold. So we are on our way to Ikea to go and get bedroom furniture. Yay! To Mark's delight, it's like, boo! He loves it, really.
I don't mind Ikea.
He doesn't mind Ikea because he gets an Ikea hot dog. Which, to be honest, we have to queue about 5 hours for. A 50p hot dog.
They're rubbish, really, aren't they?
No, the bread's rubbish, but the hot dog's amazing.
Why don't you just say...
So buy some Swedish meatballs.
Why don't you just say only the sausage?
Well, you could just buy it and take the sausage out of the bun. Couldn't you? Rupert.
Which is the... Oh, okay, you just have a hot. Hot is the hot sausage.
Well, the
dog
what's
is the bun.
Is the dog the bun?
Yeah.
Is it?
So a hot dog, you have a sausage in a cob. So really, hot is warm, dog is a bun. Surely.
No idea.
That's logic.
I thought the dog was
I don't know.
sausage because you can get sausage dog, so you can just the sausage jar.
Yeah?
Or coffee American out there. It's a corn dog. Oh no, they're on sticks, aren't they?
Yeah, I think we had a corn dog when we were in New Zealand, and it was actually like a hot dog that had been.
Battered.
It was like a battered sausage from the chippy on a stick.
Yeah,
Wasn't
wow,
it?
that's what it was, wasn't it? Battered sausage.
And it was amazing, and I'm like, oh my god, this is amazing. But yeah, it was just a battered sausage on a stick. So guys, for you guys in America, let me know what an actual corn dog is in the comments down below. Is it a thin hot dog sausage that's been battered, or is it in like some kind of coating? Comment down below, let me know. That way I know that you're listening and you're actually paying attention to my video as well, if you can answer my questions. Oh yes. We had a good day at school today anyway. Rupert, talk to me, what have you been doing at school?
I've been doing the books what we what I have at home with.
What, your SATs books?
Yes, and I thought we did one I forgot what's called. I think it was called Alpha Ticket. No. And but it did
Alphabet?
no.
Algorithm.
Yeah.
Algorithm.
Algebra? What is it?
Algebra, I think.
Is it algebra?
Algebra, that's the word.
Yeah,
You wouldn't do algebra.
Dunno.
algebra.
What, with numbers?
Yeah. We had to do it was one of them algebra it had I felt
No.
I have and Mum, today I got a waffle ticket.
Well, that's because you've been writing in your reading book every day, isn't it? So, did you win anything? Well, you still got a raffle ticket, which is what you need to be doing. Guys, we're here at Ikea. Oh, did you like the little song? We're here at Ikea. Try that, Mark.
Yeah, is that playing?
Oh, look at the moon. Moon and aeroplane. Come on then, Roops.
No, I wish that.
Quick crossover look. Green paneling. That's exactly the green I'm after. Oh, that looks so nice. Oh, and with all the green accessories, look. God, I love it. Why do IKEA do like the best, like... Oh, Mark, check out this chair. We need one of them in the living room. Oh, we need one of them at the end of our bed. Love it.
They put a Draco around on there.
Oh, look at these little bamboo straws. They're cute. Might get some of them for at home.
How are we going there?
And then have you seen these little chairs? How nice these look.
Is that what you want?
What for? Yeah, that shelf at the bottom, yeah. Yeah, I know. What you doing? Look at me. Hi!
Sitting down.
You crazy kiddo. Oh, Mark, I love this sofa.
Hello, how can I help you today?
What you doing, mate? You look cute there. Guys, I'm getting a new chair for my beauty room because my stool's broke. So I'm getting this one with a backrest on for when I'm lashing. I'm actually treating myself to a new chair. So I'm going to pick that up. It's really cute. I really like this one, but this has got a higher backrest on. And it's pink, so it'll match. Oh, chippies. Yummy. Very nice. Can I feed me one? Thank you. I'm just waiting for his order, guys.